Hey guys, welcome back to JR14. Here I am with another video for you guys today. And today we're going to be changing something that I've been wanting to change for a long time. My armrest. And right here we have a nice fresh cloth armrest from eBay Motors. So without further ado, let's get started with the video right now. So hey guys, again, this is the same day, same install video as the dash camera that I just installed. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also make sure that you like, share, and subscribe to JR14, this channel, because you guys always know that cars are a lifestyle. But today's video, like I said, we're going to be replacing this armrest. It is an eyesore for this interior. One of the things I really love about this car, this specific Honda Accord, is that it's clean for the year. And I usually take care of my cars, so the interior is usually pretty clean. I mean, I have a lot of crap in it now just because I took a lot of stuff apart to install this mirror, but I'm going to be cleaning up the interior afterwards. And one of the things, every time I get this car nice and clean and mint, is the armrest. It's an eyesore. I hate it. And shout out to eBay Motors, because I found one from a junk car. This was $50. 50 bucks for a whole new assembly. I won't even be needing the whole thing. I just need this top part. So without further ado, hopefully we can easily disassemble this, and just once I get this apart, I'll know what I need to take off here and just swap them out. So this way I can have a nice clean piece right here. So without further ado, let's get some screwdrivers real quick and take apart what we need to take apart and see if that's just enough to get this piece out. Okay guys, I think I just made this really easy. I was gonna make a video on how to do this. Before I get into it, before I jinx myself. So as you see here, this is the part, this is the coin tray that sits right here, like whatever, the rubber. Oh, actually, I like this rubber mat better than one that's in my car, so I may swap this over too. But I don't need this piece. I just need this top piece right here. So I think it really is just these two screws right here. Take this out, and I could just swap that piece. As long as it includes this top part right here, that's all I really need. So I'm gonna see if that's really all I need. I hope so. You think that's all I'm gonna need? I hope so. So we're gonna take these screws out real quick, and we're gonna see, because I see the two screws right here. They're really easy to get to, and if we could make this really, really easy for myself today, I hope that's really all it is. I really hope that's what it is, because I know I spent all night working on this thing last night, and I really want to make sure I'm not working on this car again another full night. Especially over something small like an interior piece. So I think you just take these two screws out right here and just simply replace it. So I'm not gonna bore you with that. I'm gonna go ahead and screw this out, and then we're gonna take this one apart right here and then swap them and see if that works. So that simply just wasn't the case. So basically what ended up happening was, I took the same screws out from this piece, and it did not take out what I needed to take out. Oh, because I took out the wrong screws. Well, damn. Okay. So I probably need to put that back in, because I want this piece. Yeah, I want this piece in, and I didn't want to take that portion out of it. I wanted to take these screws out. I wanted to take these screws out. So what was I taking out the whole time? Oh, okay. I gotta put this back in. See what happens when you try to, figure this out? I actually had this open the whole time, and I didn't take out the, I didn't push this portion down. I want to keep these because on the new one that I got, the new cover is good, But this piece on the bottom, one of the tabs is broken, so I'm gonna dump all this stuff out. So these two tabs that hold the wires and stuff underneath it when it's closed, one of these is broken on the new one that I have. So I want to keep this and swap it on to the new one, but I accidentally took out the wrong part, so. Just like that, we have the old one out. Trash. Old busted joint, new hotness. Put this in. Hold it in place. Screw the screws in. It's all tough. Because these are screws that are plastic, so. Here we go. All right. Well, guys, as you can see here, oh, this feels so much better. As you guys can clearly see, we have finally fixed this. It was a simple fix. I thought it was gonna be a lot more complicated. It was just literally 2 screws. Just swap the heads off, but I thought you needed to take off the whole center console. For some reason, I thought that was the case. I even went as far as trying to take this just the lid off here and try to reupholster it. But considering the fact that I was like, let me just try and see if eBay has like maybe a crashed car or a donor car that has like spare parts. And sure enough, apparently this is a common issue for it to fail. So now this looks as good as the rest of my interior, which is nice, because like literally the cloth in this car is held up very well. It needs to be vacuumed for sure, but majority of the time it's held up pretty well. So that's going to conclude this video, guys. I've finally got this new armrest installed. I'm happy with it. This just makes me like, small stuff like this really is a win for me. So it's not about the big wins, it's about the small ones, you know. But guys, if you did like this video, I know it's a small video, I know it's a simple video, but like even like if you're interested in doing stuff like this like yourself, if you wanted to do stuff like this yourself, I definitely suggest you do it. It makes me feel good about myself, should make you feel good about yourself, and again, it is improvement with the car. So if you get that, and again, this goes for the cloth one as well as the EX model. So if you have an EXL with leather, now it's not going to be $50 for the leather one. I've seen ones for like $100 for some reason, obviously because it's leather, but Honda charges like a crazy premium for these. Even a brand new one of these is like $100, and then like a leather one's like $300 from Honda brand new, which is wild. I don't think it's worth that much, especially when it's just, you know, because it's just too much money. I'm not even gonna get into specifics, but again, if you did like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure that you like, share, and subscribe to JR14. You guys always remember, where we're doing little modifications to improve the interior of our car to make it look OEM fresh, again, as if it was brand new. You guys always remember that cars are a lifestyle.